Hey guys, welcome to News Quick News. We'll give you the tech news quick. Huawei has surpassed Samsung to become the world's largest smartphone maker. An official from Counterpoint Research, Neil Shah, confirmed that Huawei was the world's largest smartphone maker with a 19% market share in April. On the other hand, Samsung was at 17% market share in April. GitHub CEO has announced the company will replace the word master with main to denote the main branch of a repository to replace references to slavery. Facebook is rolling out mobile payments in WhatsApp so you can send and receive money. It's coming to Brazil first after an extended test in India, although it's intended to go to other countries in the future. Apple's launched a back-to-school promotion with discounts and bonuses like free AirPods to students who buy a Mac or iPad. Anyway, thank you for watching. If you want to watch another of my videos, click the icon above or click on the video on the screen. I'm on Library and Dailymotion, so you can follow me on them. And comment down below with suggestions for future videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see tech news, views and how-tos. I post every day, so be sure to turn on notifications so you never miss a video. But until the next one, goodbye.